Hi, welcome back to African Tea and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Tandeka and I make natural hair, travel and art content on YouTube. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more of the stuff I do. So today I'm gonna be doing a natural hair routine video. So you'll see it from start to finish, just basically my wash day, and get to see how I achieved this look if you're interested to know. So yeah, this is basically today's video. Hope you enjoy. Lately, my hair has been a mess, kind of. It has some heat damage and it's been breaking quite a lot. So I decided, let me take this day to take care of my hair. So first thing, I'm going to spray it with some water that's in this bottle with a bit of residue from this leave-in treatment. And this is so my hair is more malleable and easier to detangle. I'm then going to section my hair into 8 and detangle it by each section.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight, show me.
So this next step I'm about to show you is very important, and I didn't know about it until yesterday when I watched a wash day tutorial. And apparently this is why my hair has been so dry, because if you skip this step your hair becomes very dry. So I usually use this conditioner, like just to wash my hair in general, but for this step I'm gonna use this conditioner and just first spray my hair with some water and then apply the conditioner in order to detangle my hair and just moisturize it a bit. And then after detangling it and applying the conditioner, I'm gonna put the hair into twists just to make sure it doesn't detangle again. Yeah.
That you love me too.
The breakage I was talking about, and it's not even all of it.
Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight, maybe. You and I will fall in love. People say that love's a game you just can't win. If there's a way.
So after putting my hair in twists, I put on a shower cap and leave it there on my head for an hour just for my hair to steam.
You and I will fall in love.
Lather, rinse, repeat, and lather, rinse, repeat, and lather, rinse, repeat, as needed.
So first I rinse out the conditioner from my head thoroughly, and then I shampoo my hair, and note that I don't touch the ends of my hair while I'm shampooing my hair, and this is so my hair isn't dry. Then I wash the hair by sections, like I wash it by sections and rinse it out by section just to avoid detangling. No, just to avoid tangling. Just to avoid tangling.
We will fall in love. People say that love's a game you just can't win. If there's a way, I'll find it someday, and then this fool will rush in. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear.
After rinsing out each section, then I condition my hair by each section again, and after putting in the conditioner on each section, then I put my hair again into twist and again to avoid tangling.
Whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear. Tell me that you love me too. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear, baby, put your head on my shoulder.
After conditioning my whole head, I tie it up and then put on a shower cap for about 30 minutes. So after rinsing out the conditioner, I put on an old t-shirt on my head just to dry it out a bit, just until it's damp. And then I put my hair again into sections so I'm able to moisturize my hair.
Shoulder, put your head on my shoulder, put your head on my shoulder.
First, I sprayed with this leave-in treatment. Then I put on this curl enhancing smoothie. And then I'm gonna put it into like smaller twists because I'm trying to do a twist out. Well, more so a protective hairstyle because like I'm not going anywhere, so it's just so my hair doesn't get detangled and so I don't like touch it a lot.
Les rêves des amoureux.
Then I'm gonna put the coconut oil on the ends of the twist. Apparently this is to seal in the moisture. I think I saw it in one tutorial.
Sont comme le bon vin, ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux, volant en chemin tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé, et à sauter les repas, je suis habitué, un voleur solitaire.
When I'm done with the twist, I apply coconut oil to my scalp.
Voleur solitaire et triste à nourrir. Ah, je suis amer, je ne peux réussir, car rien n'est gratuit. Tant à la vie, jamais on ne me dira que la course aux étoiles, ça n'est pas pour moi. Laissez-moi vous émerveiller et prendre mon envol. Nous allons enfin.
And then I cover my hair with a scarf, again to lock in the moisture. It's best if you cover your hair with a silk or satin scarf.
Enfin nous régaler.
It's finally my time to shine, and now I can undo these twists to complete the twist out.
La fête va enfin commencer. Sortez les bouteilles, fini les ennuis. Je dresse la table de ma nouvelle vie. Je suis heureux à l'idée de ce nouveau destin. Une vie à me cacher et puis libre enfin.
Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.